Alright, here's the radio we've been waiting for. The BC370CRS. Let's go. I'm gonna wait a little bit. And I'm recording this during a severe weather event, so if I have to record a alert, it's gonna be on this unboxing. It should have its original box as well. Yep. There it is. It feels kind of heavy. $150. Jeez. Maybe it's not opening on that side. Oops. Take the entire thing out. There's the external antenna, power adapter, and the BC370 itself. Look at that. Got a whole bunch of buttons. Look at all these. Turn that. There's the power button. Oh yeah, it does. It does take batteries. It does have a teeny tiny bit of battery corrosion right there, but that isn't such a big of a deal. The antenna, little on the loose side. Maybe I can tighten it. Oh, this is just stuck like. Okay, so it's. I don't like how it just comes off. Let's go ahead and put it up. It's got like antenna arthritis a little bit, but it looks really clean. Let's press every button for good luck. I already did that. And let's get this thing plugged in. Apparently what I heard is that this thing has a really loud siren. So that's pretty cool. I think it'll be one of the louder radios in the collection. I'm not entirely sure, but I'm really glad I was able to get this BC370. I've been wanting one since, I don't even know when. Let's see. Alright. Let's see here. There it is in 3. 3, 2, 1. There it is. I'm not going to set that right now. There's the date, the times right there. Go to weather. I think it's
cloudy, with a temperature of 72 at Glens Falls and 71 at Rome. At Plattsburgh, rain and fog were reported, a temperature of 66.
I don't know how to...
At Syracuse, rain and fog were reported, with a temperature of 64. Once again, in Messina, it was 70 degrees.
Oh, Jesus.
At Saranac Lake Airport, it was 65 degrees.
Huh?
Megahertz.
These are weird orders.
Seaway. The 7:24 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
What we got? AM,
This
FM.
is a wind advisory
Not gonna
for
do
the
that,
following
though.
areas in New York: northern Franklin, northern St. Lawrence, southeastern St. Lawrence, southern Franklin, and southwestern St. Lawrence. Wind advisory remains in effect from 8 a.m. this morning to 8 p.m. this evening. What?
Okay.
Gusts between 45 and 55 miles per hour.
Look at that. Backlight works.
The strongest winds will be between 9 a.m. and 1 p.m., especially in northern Champlain Valley and northern slopes of the Adirondacks, with another round of strong wind.
What?
Leafed out trees will result in more tree damage with similar wind speeds during the colder months of the year. Winds this strong can make dry vehicles. Use extra caution. Secure outdoor objects. High wind warning in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. What? Southwest winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 55 miles per hour.
I like how it
expected.
shows like a reception
Where?
right up
Jefferson
there.
and Lewis counties. When? Until 8 p.m. this evening.
Oh, I think that's the auto
Impacts. Strong winds
time.
will blow down trees and power lines. Scattered power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details: fully leafed out trees will result in more tree damage than with similar wind speeds during the colder months of the year. Avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees. If during the windstorm, and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. Number 352 remains. And for the following counties in New York, Franklin, Lewis, and St. Lawrence. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and
I think that means it's waiting for an alert. Pretty cool. I like that. But that's pretty interesting. So I think clock set would be just, so it's 11 like 27. Oh, okay. I don't even remember what today is. Let's see. It is the 18th. That should be that. Yep. It's 28 now. That's 25. My bad. I don't even know if there is a way to alert test this thing.
and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs around 70. Southwest winds.
I'll figure it out.
With gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50. Weather service forecast for the northern Adirondack. Some thunderstorms may produce damaging winds and heavy rainfall this afternoon. Breezy with highs in the upper 60s.
I have to figure out how to
Southwest
test
winds
this.
15 to 25 miles an hour with gusts up to 55 miles an hour.
There we go. There's the BC370CRS. And, yeah, wait, is that the receipt for it? It is. Where was it bought from? INR Communicators, I think. For $154. The actual radio, BC370CRS, was $150. That's crazy. This was bought back in 2013. Wow. Here's the manual. Interesting. And that's it. And so with that, that was the unboxing of the BC370CRS, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye guys!